Hello. Here we will use Quick Pallet Maker to calculate 4 layers of packaging. That would be the primary package inside a carton, that carton inside a master carton, and that master carton inside a pallet. First step is to run Quick Pallet Maker. Next, we will open a new data sheet starting from primary package. We will change the units to inches and enter the dimensions of our package. 2 by 1.5 by 3 inches. The weight, we put 0.05, and here we will just make that the height can be vertical to the box itself. The next step is to calculate it. Here, since it's the first layer of this 4-layer problem, we don't need to specify a pallet. We just leave the predetermined pallet here. Tools, recalculate. Prior to that, we had to change the case count. So we go back, and we enter 12. Here, this is the result we were looking for. We look at the number of feasible cases. There are 6. We can click on the first one, and with the arrow key, we can see the different dimensions. Here we will choose just the ones that have different dimensions. We have chosen 5. So now we open a new window, new data sheet starting from primary package, and we will create the second layer. How do we do that? We go to, first we change the units, then we go to Tools, Load Multiple Packages. We will see a new window, and in this new window, we will drag the boxes we calculated previously, because we will use them as primary packages in another program, in another calculation. Since we have the same color per side, we will select them all and change the color. Now we can calculate these packages. We click on Done, and all 5 of them have been saved. Here, the case count will be 24, and we will change the type of pallet, 48 by 40. With these cartons, we will create the master carton with a case count of 24 and calculate it. Now we go to Tools, Recalculate. And we get a new list. In this list, you can see that we are using the cartons in a case count of 24. Each one of these cartons, internal cartons, has 12 primary packages. What we want to do now, okay, since they also considered the previous primary package, we want to order them and pick the one that's most optimal. We use Tools, Power Sort. Select total primary packages per pallet in descending order. We'll click on OK. Or something easier? Well, no, this is fine. Okay. Please note that if you see the color here, you'll see that it's also taking into account the previous primary package. We won't use these. So we will select the first pallet and go down until we find one that uses the carton that has 12 primary packages inside. How do we know that? Because they're colored gray. Go down. There it is. We found the first one. This one. And then we have another one that has the same case count. It's more stable. So we pick the second option. We go to Window, Detailed Report. Now we will see the report for a 4-layer packaging problem. We have what is considered a primary package, in this case a carton. Each carton has 12 primary packages. Then there's a box, master carton. You can click on this to see the different views. It has 24. And then we have a pallet that has 30 of these. And for a total of 8,640 primary packages. That would be 12 by 24 by 30. Thank you.